In today's video, we are going to learn about the square root tricks. And first of all, we have to learn the square of these numbers. Okay, at least from 11 to 36 we have to memorize the squares of this number. And second thing is that if you square any number and number ends with 1, then it must contain 1 or 9 in their unit digit. Okay, if number ends with 4 after squaring, then number must contain 2 or 8 as in their unit digit. Okay, likewise for 5, 6 and 9. I have written all these numbers. Let us start the video. So here you can see you have to find the square root of 4761 and the number ends with 1. Then there is two possibility that the number must contain 1 or 9 as in their unit digit. So we have to write 1 and 9. After that we have to just ignore last two digit number and we have to focus in rest of the numbers. Okay, rest number is 47. Okay, so we have to find the two numbers square between which 47 lies. Okay, what I am saying, you have to choose the two numbers between which 47 lies, like 6 square 36 and 7 square 49. 47 lies between 36 and 49. Okay, so after that we have to choose which is the smaller value, and this is obvious that 6 is the smaller value, so we have to choose 6. So our number, so square of this number is, either 61 or 69. Okay, what I have done, I have chosen two numbers, square of two numbers between which this 47 number lies. Okay, 6 square 36 and 7 squares 49, and 47 lies between these two. Okay, after that I have to choose the smaller digit, which is 6. So there is two possibility, either the square root of this number is 61 or 69. After that we have to see 47 is closest to which number. 47 minus 36, 11, and 47 minus 49, it's 2. So 47 is more closer to 49. So 7, this one, big number. So biggest number is closest to 10. So we have to choose 69. Okay, we have to choose the bigger value, that means 69. So our answer is 69. Easy. Next question is square root of 6889. Number ends with 9. So there is two possibility for 9, that is number must contain 3 or 7. Okay, so we write 3, 7. Okay, we just ignore last two digit. 68. So we have to find the squares of two numbers between which 68 lies. So 8 square 64 and 9 square 81. Okay, so 68 lies between these two. We have to choose the smaller one, that is 8. So answer, square root of this number will be either 83 or 87. After that what will we have to do? We have to see 68 is closer to which number. 68 minus 64, it's 4, and 81 minus 68 is bigger number than 4. So 68 is closer to 64, that means smaller value. 64 is smaller value, so we have to choose the number 83. So square root of this number is 83. Square root of 7921. So number ends with 1. So there is two possibility, number must contain 1 or 9. Okay, there is two possibility, either 1 or 9. After that we have to just ignore last two digit. We have to focus in rest of the digits, like it is 79. We have to choose the square of two numbers between which 79 lies. So 8 square 64 and 9 square 81. So 70 lies between these two. We have to choose first smaller value, that is 8. So square root of this number must be either 81 or 89. Next we have to see 79 is closer to which one. 79 minus 64, 15, and 81 minus 79, it's 2. So 79 is closer to 81, bigger value. So we have to choose the answer 89. So 89 is the square root of this number. Easy. Next, now we have to find the square root of 5-digit number. So number ends with 1, so again there is two possibility that number contains 1, either 1 or 9. After that we have to ignore last two digits and we have to focus in rest of the number, that is 620. From this chart we have to see 24 square 576 and 25 square 625. So 620 lies between these two. So we have to write 24 square 576 and 25 square 625. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to choose a smaller number, that is 24. So square root of this number either 241 or 249. Okay. Now what will we have to do after that? We have to just see 620 is closer to which number. 620 minus 576 and 620 minus 625. So 620 minus 625 is only 5. So 620 is closer to this value, which is bigger value. So 249 is the square root of this number. Again we have to find the square root of 5-digit number and the number ends with number 1. So there is two possibility, 1 and 9. Okay. After that we have to ignore last two-digit number and we have to focus in rest of the numbers, that is 479. You must have to memorize this square chart. 470 lies between these two. You see that? 21 square 441, 22 square 484. So 471 lies between these two. So we have to write 21 square 441 and 22 square 484. Okay. Then we have to choose the smaller value, that is 21. Then there is two possibility, 211 or 219. Okay. Now we have to see 479 is closer to which one. So here we can see 479 is more closer to 484 in comparison to 441. So we have to choose the bigger value. This means 219 is the square root of the number. Now we have to find the square root of 6-digit number very easily. What we have to do, we have to check the unit digit, it's 9 and there is two possibility for 9, that is 3, 7. Ignore last two digit and look after the rest of the digit, that is 1069. From the square chart you have to find 1069 lines between these two. Okay, 32 square and 33 square. Then 32 square 1024 and 33 square 1089. Okay. Now you have to choose the smaller one, that is 32. Then our square root may be 323 or 327. Okay. Now you have to see the difference, which number is closer to 1069. 1069 minus 1024. So it's 45 and 1089 minus 1069, it's 20. So this number is more closer to 1069. So we have to choose this one, 327. So our square root of this number is 327. Square root of 23409, last digit is 9. So there is two possibility, that is 3 and 7. You have to ignore last two digit. 234. 234 lies between which one? 234. So 234 lies between these two, 15 square and 16 square. Okay. 15 square 225 and 16 square 256. Okay. Now you have to choose a smaller one, that is 15. So square root will be 159 or 157. So what we have to do, we have to find the number which is closer to 234. So 234 is more closer to 225 in comparison to 256. So our answer is 153. So we have to choose 153. So 153 is the square root of this number. Find the square root of this number by using this trick and comment down below